beautiful people. This is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. This video is regarding how can you attract financial abundance into your life and what is blocking you and what you need to do to attract this financial abundance into your life. Who I am? I'm a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal therapist and an angel therapist, and I'm a numerologist and I give remedies through number, crystals and card healings. So if you want to book a personalized card reading session or remedial session, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number 9837770092 to book your session. And all the charges are linked in the description box, and even all the links to my social media are linked over there. And even there is a list of Amazon in the description box. If you wish to gift a card deck to my channel, you're more than welcome. And so let's see what is the advice for you to attract abundance into your life and what is blocking you. So the first card is the challenge. What is the challenge that you are facing, that you are not attracting, or what is blocking you from attracting the abundance? Let go of boosting an ego. So maybe your ego might be coming in between, which is not helping you or blocking you to attract abundance. At times there may be situations where your ego might be stopping to do things which are good for you because you need the help of the other person, or by boasting things or situations, nothing can be found. So this is the challenge and you need to let go of this. The second guidance is let go of the fears, live with cheers. And if you have any insecurities or fears related to your finances, maybe you might be going through financial issues in the current situations, the guidance is that you need to let go of that fear and live your life with cheer, with happiness. See, if we are negative regarding anything, any situation, we attract more negativity into life. The law of attraction says you have to vibrate, you will attract at what vibrations you vibrate. So if you are vibrating at a negative vibration and at a lack of finances or money in your life, you'll attract the same thing. But when you vibrate at a positive vibration and you feeling yourself abundant, even though you are not, but you need to assume and see yourself abundant with whatever you desire. And if you'll do that, you'll be able to get over the situation you're facing right now. And the third guidance is Wheel of Fortune. So they see a time of positive change, a situation suddenly move forward, fortune is on your side. So definitely a change is coming, and with the new moon, you can start something as the new moon is just approaching 2 days after. So you can start something positive in your life, even if you want to switch to a job, if you want to start some new business, it's the best time to start something. And even the cards are guiding a positive shift is there, and that will attract fortune to your side, basically financial abundance to your side. And to attract that, what do you need to do? You need to create a balance in your life. And how would that balance be created? You need to you either won't need to do excess of anything, or create a scarcity of anything. And this is the card of root chakra also. Whenever our root chakra is imbalanced, then also we face lot of financial crunch, and you need to balance your root chakra. Even I do chakra healings to balance the chakra through crystals, numbers, and other sort of things, colors, and everything would be done in a session. If you want to get your chakra healing, you can contact me through my number 9837770092. The next guidance is the crystal. This is the ancient wisdom crystal. What is this crystal guiding you or advising you? The ancient wisdom crystal is guiding you that you have, or you already have that wisdom inside in you. You don't need to search that wisdom anywhere outside to attract financial abundance into your life. So just try to do some inner work and try to find out what are the ways that you can attract financial abundance into your life. And now I am giving you this affirmation to affirm to attract money into your life. I am able to handle large sum of money. You need to affirm this affirmation every day, as many as times as you can. The best time is when you're about to go to sleep. Start affirming this affirmation early in the morning when you get up, and you can even stand in front of the mirror and affirm the affirmation. If you'll do with faith, definitely you will find good results. And if you find any change, or if you attract money into your life, just post me a feedback on my video. So this was the overall advice and guidance for you how to attract financial abundance. If you like the if you find the video helpful, like it. And if you have not like and subscribe my channel, you can like and subscribe my channel and hit the subscribe button, and there is also a bell icon. Hit that. Every time I'll upload a new video, you will get a notification. And for if you want any personalized card reading or healing session, you can definitely contact me through my WhatsApp number 983 777 0092. Thank you.